trailer to bring it back to car.
Thanks. Electric, I as well, guys.
I thought there must have been something that was potentially fine because of his haste to want to be out of the car, but he got the door open very early. And then he was sort of half in, half out of the car. He didn't want to step out of the car in case the hybrid hadn't deactivated, and he was waiting for the AMR safety team to let him know. And they gave him the thumbs up so they could step out. Just after 10 o'clock. Just a quick rundown. There's been a whole host of P2 and GTT pit stops. So let's run through what's going on at the front of the field. Yeah, that's interesting. The head of the field, it's Jesse Krohn.
Yeah, because he did not stop during the season. The team saw Tom Shea earlier on in the race where Tom Ford didn't stop, but they were splitting in the car, so they didn't want to get trouble with John on the pit, which sounded rather bizarre to me, but maybe they're doing the same again now.
So,
They wouldn't be doing that in the early stages of the race.